Welcome! If you want to turn off Google Assistant option into your SONY Xperia 10 3rd edition, first of all open your Google application, this one, and go into more option on the bottom. Here we got settings, go to settings, and here we got Google Assistant. Then you scroll down and find general option, this one. Click. And here first option in the list will be Google Assistant option. So to turn off this option, click here to switcher, confirm operation turn off, and that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.